Welcome to our lesson about creating a face fillet using hold lines. The sketch, which supports the first solid body in my graphic area, this one here, has an equal relation. Let's go take a look. There it is, between this line and this line. Exit the sketch. Now let's activate the Fillet tool. The face fillet type is already pre-selected. Let's select the first face and the second face now. Now let's scroll down to the Fillet Options section of the Property Manager. Click here, and let's select our first hold line and a second hold line. In our preview, everything looks all right, so let's click OK. On my second solid body, this edge is obviously the shorter edge. It's shorter than this vertical edge here. Let's activate the Fillet tool again. Face fillet type. Let's select our first face and our second face. Now let's scroll down to Fillet Options, click in the Hold Line selection area to activate it. Let's select our first edge. And let's select this edge for our second hold line. But we obviously have a problem here. If I click OK now, we're going to have an unexpected result. The arc-based fillet doesn't work in this situation. Let's learn how to solve this problem. Let's right-click on Fillet to Edit Feature. Let's scroll down to Fillet Options and check Curvature Continuous. Now the preview does look much better. Let's click OK. Basically, if we use two hold lines which aren't equidistant from the edge where the faces intersect, we need to check the Curvature Continuous option. Let's take a look at one more example of creating fillets using hold lines. Let's just pan these bodies left. Click in the graphic area to unselect everything, and let's activate the Linear Pattern tool. For Direction 1, let's select this edge. Click this handle to reverse the direction. Now for Features to Pattern, let's select Boss Extrude 2. Spacing 100 millimeters, tab to register, and let's click OK. Now I'm going to use a spline to split this face. Right-click, Insert Sketch. Activate the Spline command. Let's place our spline about here. Right-click and select to close it. Exit the sketch. Let's go to Insert, Curve, and select Split Line. Sketch 3 is already pre-selected. Now we need to select the faces to split. Let's choose this face and click Accept. Let's activate the Fillet tool again now. Face fillet type, I'll select this face as my first face, and for my second face, this face. Let's scroll down and select our hold lines now. First hold line, second hold line. And here's our preview. Once again, to achieve desirable results, we're going to need to use the Curvature Continuous option. And let's accept. Let's take a look at another example. Go to my next window. First thing to do, let's split this planar face. Insert a sketch. Normal to. Activate the Spline command. We'll place it about here. Close the profile, right-click and select. And let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. And let's go to Insert, Curve, Split Line. The sketch is already pre-selected. Let's select this face and click OK. Let's make another split line now. We'll do it on this face here. Insert a sketch. Take a normal to view. Here I'm going to use a 3-point arc. There's my first point, second point, and here is my third point. Right-click and select, exit the sketch. Let's take an isometric view. Now go to Insert, Curve, Split Line. Sketch 4 is already pre-selected. Now let's select a face, this one here, and click OK. Now let's activate the Fillet tool. Fillet type, face fillet. First face here. Let's choose our second face. And let's select our hold lines. Uncheck curvature continuous. First hold line. And our second hold line. And we are going to need to check curvature continuous. There's our preview. Let's click OK. And here is our result. This concludes our lesson about creating a fillet using 2 hold lines.